Hey drone enthusiasts, welcome back to Tech Kingo. In today's video, we're exploring the best foldable drone you should know about. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the NC Zobo K30 foldable drone. Let's get started. Product feature. The 4K electric modulation camera captures stunningly clear images, preserving every original light and shadow detail for masterpiece quality. An intelligent vision system ensures lossless, high-definition imagery, making every press of the shutter feel like professional photography. Its smart, foldable build makes it incredibly portable, fitting effortlessly into your bag so you can take your creativity anywhere you go. With multi-scene adaptability, you can confidently explore vast seas, jagged mountains, or busy urban landscapes with ease. The smart GPS feature provides total peace of mind by automatically planning a safe return path to the starting point if ever needed. Switch between multiple aerial perspectives with a simple touch on the screen, opening up new horizons for your creative compositions. The remote control system delivers real-time HD transmission, letting you see exactly what the drone sees and adjust shots on the fly. Pros: you'll love how this drone feels like a true companion for your adventures. Its ability to capture high-definition memories with such vivid color is truly heartwarming. The GPS return feature takes away the stress of flying, making it feel safe for everyone. Plus, its portability means you never have to miss a beautiful moment, no matter where your journey takes you. Cons: while it's incredibly versatile, new pilots might need a little time to master the electric modulation camera settings to get that perfect shot. Also, because it's so lightweight for travel, you'll want to be extra mindful of flying during very windy days to keep your footage steady. Final thoughts. Imagine capturing the world from a perspective that feels like a dream come true. This drone isn't just a piece of tech, it's a gateway to seeing the beauty around us in a whole new light. It empowers you to tell your story and share your unique vision with those you love. If you're ready to let your creativity soar, this is a beautiful way to start that journey today. Your next great adventure is just a flight away. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe to Tech Kingo and like this video.